Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from the warehouse here in Las Vegas. Something super exciting today. I'm holding Sundown Audio's very first super tweeter. As you know, Sundown's been in business for, I believe, 15 years, and they've never had a super tweeter to go with their pro audio mids, their Neo Pro 6.5s and 8s. So now they have the GT-R1. They're going to be coming out with some more super tweeters and some other tweeters as well. So be sure to check them out on the website. But right now, we finally got in the GT-R1. We released these about, I think, a week ago. We've already sold 100 of them within the first week, and they could only sell us 500, well, actually 500 total. So we only have like 350 or so left. Anyway, I wanted to come on here on YouTube and show you guys the tweeter that they finally came out with. So it's a GT-R1. I don't know if you can see the specs right here, but it's, oh, let me do it on this side, it's a little bit bigger. So super tweeter, it comes in 4 ohm. The sensitivity is 100 dB, so this is very loud. The frequency range is 4,000 to 20,000, so a very nice frequency response range there. The RMS power is 100 watts, so very nice wattage for a super tweeter. Let me go ahead and open it up and I'll show you what it looks like. So here we go. Throw that off to the side. And then you got your little plastic wrapper here. Pull it out of here. So some people call this, I was doing a live video on Facebook. Oh yeah, be sure to follow us on Facebook. We do giveaways all the time. We're actually giving away some of these. I think the giveaway's gonna end today. So by the time this video gets up, it's probably gonna be over. If you're watching this video here on YouTube, comment what you would put these tweeters in if you ended up winning a pair. I'm going to give away a set of these tweeters here on YouTube. I'm just going to come through and randomly select one comment, and you're going to be the winner. So I can do a giveaway here on YouTube as well, because I know you guys are always like, you always do the giveaways on Facebook and Instagram, but you never do anything for the YouTubers. So that's what I'm going to do. So comment below, let me know what you would be putting the set of tweeters in if you end up winning. So somebody on the live Facebook video said that these look like a shot glass tweeter, and it does. It looks just like a shot glass. It's very shot glass looking. I posted a video, a picture yesterday on my Facebook page, and I had them like this. It looked like I had a set of binoculars on. Like it looked like I was looking through some binoculars. This is the tweeter here. It's got a very nice weight to it, so it has, like, I mean, anything Sundown Audio, very great quality. You can also flush mount them. So if you can see this right here, it has these mounting rings. So if you didn't want this this whole part right here to be sticking out of your panel, you could bring this ring up to where this, so say your panel is right here, you slide it down through your panel, and then you'll bring this up and you can flush mount the tweeter in your panel. So the only thing you see on the front side of your panel is almost like my door panels in the work truck. They're really nice and flush, so it gives you a really nice look instead of having a big thing sticking out of your door panel and not looking that great. But again, these are now in stock at downforsoundshop.com. I had to make a video about them because, again, this is Sundown Audio's very first super tweeter. So they're also on introductory pricing for $34.99 each. I think this is way too cheap for a Sundown product, but you can go ahead and grab yours today for the introductory pricing, $34.99 each, before I think they're going to go to $50 a piece. So you can save a lot of money right now by grabbing yours today. Check them out in the link below in the description and grab you 10 or 20 of them. You'll get loud like me. Yo, what's up, guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Christ is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.